In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Trello in Google Calendar by syncing your cards. This process can greatly enhance your productivity by bringing together your task management and scheduling. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Trello account. Once you're in, go ahead and select the board that you want to sync with your Google Calendar. This is an important step as you'll be working specifically with this board throughout the process. If you haven't already added your Trello calendar to Google Calendar, let's handle that next. Start by clicking the calendar button, which you'll find in the board menu. This action will take you to the calendar view where you need to keep an eye out for the option labeled Sync to Personal Calendar. Typically, you'll find this in the top right corner of your screen. When you click on this option, a calendar URL will be provided. Make sure to copy this link because you'll need it to complete the syncing process. Next, let's switch over to Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in your web browser. On the left side of the interface, look for the section labeled Other Calendars. Next to this, you'll see a small plus sign. Click on it and select the option that says From URL. In the text box that appears, paste the iCalendar link you copied from Trello. Once you've pasted the link, simply click Add Calendar. Now, your Trello cards are linked and you're set to view them in Google Calendar. Whenever you set due dates on your Trello cards, they will now appear directly in Google Calendar. This integration ensures that you can keep track of all your tasks alongside any meetings, appointments, or other events you've scheduled. It's worth noting that any updates you make to the due dates on Trello will automatically sync with Google Calendar. However, bear in mind that it may take a few hours for Google Calendar to refresh and reflect those changes. So if you don't see the update immediately, just give it a little time, and that's it. With this setup, managing your schedules and tasks becomes a lot more streamlined. You'll have a holistic view of your commitments and deadlines, helping you stay on top of everything that matters. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need to refresh your memory on syncing Trello with Google Calendar. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!